Hello, wonderful people, and welcome back to Chima Matter Spiritual Tips. My name is Brother Chima, and I am a spiritualist. And on this channel, I share spiritual tips, spiritual recipes, spiritual remedies, spiritual messages that will draw you closer to God, messages that will help you to solve your spiritual problem using the power of God Almighty, the power of my Father's deities, and the power of the universe in manifesting our spiritual tips on here. So if this is your first time of joining us, if this is your first time of coming in contact with this face, you are highly welcome. I welcome you with an open heart. Please consider subscribing to the red button down below this video on your right hand side. Turn the notification bell to all so that whenever I post a video like this, you will get notified. Like my videos, share my videos, comment on the comment section. And for those of you who are my bona fide subscribers, my day one gang, you know who you are. Those of you who have been patronizing me, buying my spiritual materials, supporting me in money and in kind. Those of you who has been introducing me to people, calling me to testify what God is using me to do on here. I pray for you that it shall be well with you. Where others go and fail, you will go there and survive. Where they go and find it difficult, it shall be easy for you. In today's video, I want to share with us how you can do this powerful back to sender, this instant back to sender. Whatsoever the enemies have sent to you, this is an opportunity to send it back to them. Let them receive it back. This is not an option in some cases. Some people are meant to destroy people's life. They are meant to destroy your destiny. They are bent to destroy your happiness, to destroy your marriage, to destroy anything that is good that is coming to your life. Some of them don't want to see you smile. They don't want to see your face bright. They always want to see you beg. They always want to see you cry. They always want to see you look like an idiot, an animal, because of their evil thoughts towards you. But after watching this video, all their evil thoughts towards you will return back to them. Any envious person that has been envying you, be it your brother, your paternal side, your maternal side, your group of friends, those who has been backbiting you, in your family, in your place of work, that is good for destroying people's destiny with evil charms or evil magical powers or whatsoever power he or she has acquired. After watching this video, anything they do to you is going back to them. Some of them even use their own mouth to destroy people's destiny. There is people that can kill you with their mouth, not even with jars. If somebody go and tell your destiny helper or somebody that employs you evil things about you, automatically he or she has killed you. There are people that what is making them to suffer or to be sick today or to be in a very terrible situation is what people says with their mouth against them. Yes. How can you go and tell somebody's fiancé that is a prostitute, he doesn't have a womb, he has done so many abortions, and you don't have any proof to that? Just because you are envious of that your friend, just because you are envious of that lady that is dating a rich man, how can you go and destroy your best friend marriage, telling the wife that he has a side chick outside? What will you gain? What will you gain? Some of your friends will go to a man that wants to marry you and give false information that if he marries you, he's going to die. There is untimely death in the family, or there is one sickness that has been disturbing you. People have done so many horrible things just to frustrate their fellow human being. But after watching this video, by the grace of my Father's deities and ancestors, you will be saved. Some people has been caged in an evil tree. Some are caged in the grave. Some are caged inside the bottle. And that is why they cannot move forward in life. Nothing is working for them. The more they struggle, the more they go backwards. It's not like God has forgotten you. No. I am here to share with you one of the powerful backs to sender that you can do to liberate yourself from every plot of the enemies. All you need to do is to get a plain sheet of paper. Another thing is your black candle, but you are going to cut it half. Black candle is very powerful for back to sender. This is the only thing you need for this recipe. That darkness that they are praying for you, let them receive it. And whenever you are doing back to sender recipe, never have mercy upon your enemies. So you will need your black candle, but it has to be a half black candle and your white sheet of paper. Then another item is your alligator pepper. Remember, you need to activate your alligator pepper by taking it to your back and activating them. You will use the alligator pepper, take it to your back and activate it. Then you bring it back to for. For this back to sender prayer, you are going to use your sheet of paper, a plain one at that. And if you feel that somebody is after your health, your finances, your marriage, your life, out of your children, write it here. I am sending back all evil projection in my life. Everything concerning my finances, concerning my marriage, concerning my family, concerning my place of work, anything that the enemy has a hand in, I am returning it back to sender. From my mother's side, from my father's side, from my paternal side, anything that any man has done against my life, against my future, against my finances, against my family, against my marriage, as I am writing it on this paper, I am returning it back to sender. Make a list or a request or a quotation of what you want to return back to sender, those evil that the enemy has been sending to you and your family that you want to return back to sender. Write it on this paper. Then after that, after listing them, you have to use, if you're a Christian, you can read Psalm 35 or 91 to back it up. Then after reading the psalm or calling the God you are going to use your candle, your black candle, and stand it on top of your quotation. Stand it on top of your quotation. And this quotation, you need to use red biro or black biro to write it. Place the black candle on top of the request and light it and begin to pray. Anything making your life backwards, causing stagnation, causing disappointment, causing failure, causing hardship, causing sickness, causing problem in your family, causing hatred, those your friends, those unfriendly friends backbiting you, claiming to be your friend, whoever that is your enemy that has been attacking you spiritually, that through this recipe you are returning every evil back to sender. Then put 7 seeds of alligator pepper in your mouth and light the candle on top of the request. Begin to pray. Call on God Almighty. Call on your ancestors. Call on your elements. Say, any power that is working against me from the land, from the air, from the water, from the earth, anywhere it is, that any power is working against me, that the universe, your father's deities, God Almighty should deliver you and return it back to sender. Yes. Let me tell you something. After doing this recipe, everything the enemies has done against you will return back to sender to that person. Owners of evil load will carry their load. Anything that is working against you that they have thrown in the water, let fish swallow it. Yes, because when fish swallow it, somebody will kill the fish and bring it, somebody will buy it and eat it and bring that thing out from the fish belly. Anything that they have buried on the land that is working against you, let the universe destroy it. The one in the fire, let the universe destroy it. Then after praying, if the charm was done on the Monday or Tuesday or Wednesday or Thursday or Friday or Saturday or Sunday, let the universe destroy it. If you believe in the 4 market days, aka Ori Afo Nkwo, tell God that any charm that they have done on your behalf on a K day, on Ori day, on Afo day, on Nkwo day, that God Almighty should destroy it. That any man, any woman that is born on a K Ori Afo Nkwo and a K that has done any charm against you, that you are returning it back to sender. Likewise, any woman that is born on a K Ori Afo Nkwo that has done anything evil against you, that you return it back to sender. Don't forget that your alligator pepper will be inside your mouth. After you have made your prayers, you will chew the alligator pepper, and after that you will say, alligator pepper that does not go to an error and fail to deliver it. For that reason, on this your quotation and the black candle that you have light, as you pour this alligator pepper upon this white paper that you have written your quotation, let the power of alligator pepper and the power of black candle, let them return every evil that has done on your behalf by any man or any woman that is created by God. Let it return back to sender. Pour the alligator pepper on the sheet of paper that the candle is standing on top, the black candle. Pour it there 4 times and allow the candle to burn. The candle will burn straightly. Then after that, pack the remnant and throw it out. And believe you me, the universe will return every evil that has been done against you back to sender. Anything the enemy has done against you, this recipe will return it back to sender. Don't hesitate to subscribe and to like this video. Don't hesitate to share it. If you need anything you need me to do for you spiritually, don't forget to call my number +2347088136610. That is my number. We also have our spiritual materials that are locally made and spiritually charged by my own hand. We have the curse breaking soap, we have the road opening soap, we have the anti-witchcraft soap, we have the back to sender soap, we have the hand me not soap, we have the spiritual cleansing bad detox, we have the Equable Plus detox, the anti-witchcraft moving object remover, the anti-witchcraft spiritual poison remover. This product is tested and trusted, and we ship all part of the whole world: Europe, Asia, America, South America, with DHL, EMS, and FedEx. We also have the Favor soap, we have the Love and Attraction soap, we have the Stop Evil oil, we have the 99 demon manipulation Stop Evil oil. If you need each and every one of our products, don't hesitate to give me a shout on WhatsApp. And please don't forget to subscribe and keep sharing this video. See you in my next video. Try this out and may my God bless you.